If you're in your 20s and making any of these 5 money mistakes, you're literally stealing from your future self. I made mistake number 3, and it cost me $47,000 in just 2 years. Let me save you from the same financial disasters that took me a decade to recover from. Hey everyone, I'm Alexandra, and today I'm sharing the 5 money mistakes that absolutely destroyed my financial future in my 20s. And if you're making even one of these right now, you need to stop immediately. Look, I get it. Your 20s are supposed to be fun, right? But here's the brutal truth. Every bad money decision you make now will compound and haunt you for the next 20 years. I learned this the hard way, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Mistake number 1. Thinking you have time. This was my biggest lie to myself. I'll start investing when I'm 30. I'll worry about retirement later. Here's what nobody tells you. Starting at 25 versus 35 isn't just a 10-year difference. It's the difference between having $1.2 million or $400,000 at retirement. I ran the numbers. If you invest just $200 a month starting at 25, you'll have over $1 million by 65. Wait until 35? You'd need to invest $600 a month to catch up. That's 3 times more money for the same result. Time is literally your biggest asset in your 20s, and most people waste it. Mistake number 2. The subscription death spiral. Raise your hand if you have Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, Disney+, Amazon Prime, a gym membership you never use, and that meditation app you downloaded once. Yeah, I see you. Here's what happened to me. I was hemorrhaging $340 a month on subscriptions I barely used. That's over $4,000 a year. In 10 years, that's $40,000 that could have been invested and grown to over $70,000. I did a subscription audit and canceled everything I hadn't used in 30 days. Saved myself $2,400 a year instantly. Do this today, seriously. Mistake number 3, dating your bank account to zero. This one's brutal, but someone needs to say it. If you're spending $200 on dinner dates, $150 on concert tickets, and $300 on weekend trips just to impress someone or fit in, you're literally dating yourself into poverty. I spent $47,000 in 2 years trying to keep up with friends who made twice what I did. 2 years. That money could have been the down payment on a house or the start of a serious investment portfolio. Here's the reality check. Real friends won't care if you suggest a coffee date instead of an expensive dinner. And if someone judges you for being financially responsible, they're not your person anyway. Mistake number 4, the credit card trap. I'll pay it off next month. Famous last words that destroyed my credit score and cost me thousands in interest. Credit cards aren't free money. They're expensive loans with interest rates that would make a loan shark jealous. I had $12,000 in credit card debt paying 24% interest. Do you know what that means? I was paying $2,980 a year just in interest. That's money that could have been invested and actually working for me instead of against me. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this: if you can't pay cash for it, you can't afford it. Period. Mistake number 5, not paying yourself first. This is where everything changed for me. I used to pay all my bills first, then save whatever was left over. Spoiler alert, there was never anything left over. Then I discovered the most powerful concept in personal finance. Pay yourself first. Before rent, before groceries, before anything, 20% of every paycheck goes directly into investments and savings. You learn to live on what's left. This one change took me from broke to building wealth. In 3 years, I went from negative net worth to having $45,000 invested. The secret? I made saving automatic and non-negotiable. The bottom line, your 20s aren't a dress rehearsal. This is your real life, and every financial decision matters. The habits you build now will determine whether you're financially free or financially stressed for the rest of your life. Start today. Open that investment account. Cancel those unused subscriptions. Set up automatic savings. Your 30-year-old self will thank you. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes hit home? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to fix first. And if this video opened your eyes about money in your 20s, smash that like button and subscribe for more brutal financial truths that will actually change your life. Remember, building wealth isn't about making more money. It's about making smarter decisions with the money you already have. I'll see you in the next video.